With regular use of your precision brewer, it's essential to perform a descale to keep it up and running. We recommend descaling your machine often, but when your LCD shows descale flashing, a descale cycle is needed. The process will take around 30 minutes to complete. Let's do it together now. Empty the water tank. Dissolve 1 packet of the Descaler with 1 liter of warm water and pour the solution into the water tank. Then place the basket and carafe into place under the drip stop outlet. Make sure the carafe is empty and the lid is securely locked. Press the select button for 3 seconds to start the descale cycle. The LCD will show DSL and then display the remaining duration of the descaling cycle. You should know that once the descaling process is begun, you cannot stop it mid-cycle. Should you need to force stop the process for any reason, unplug the cord from the power outlet. When the descaling process is finished, the LCD screen will return to the main menu. To ensure that there's no descale solution residual, invert the machine to empty the water tank. Then refill the water tank and brew with clean water through the machine twice. Discard the water from the carafe and rinse thoroughly. Now, you're all set to brew that quality cup.